Cardano value equivalent to 5.4868 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.3509, 5.5356. The earlier day close, 5.3740. The change was plus 0.1128. Plus 2.10%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost 5.51 rands, high 5.90, low 5.12. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost 5.80 rands, high 6.21, low 5.39. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost 6.03 rands, high 6.45. Low 5.61. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 29, cost 6.08 rands, high 6.51, low 5.65. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 5.94 rands, high 6.36, low 5.52. Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 5.98 rands, high 6.40. Low 5.56. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 5.93 rands, high 6.35, low 5.51. Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost 5.90 rands, high 6.31, low 5.49. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 5.60 rands, high 5.99, low 5.21. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Friday, July 7, cost 5.57 rands, high 5.96, low 5.18. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 5.55 rands, high 5.94, low 5.16. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 5.46 rands, high 5.84, low 5.08. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 5.07 rands, high 5.42, low 4.72. Cardano gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 4.58 rands, high 4.90, low 4.26. In 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 4.56 rands, high 4.88, low 4.24. Cardano figure on Monday, July 17, cost 4.14 rands, high 4.43, low 3.85. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost 4.16 rands, high 4.45, low 3.87. Cardano figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost 3.88 rands, high 4.15, low 3.61. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost 3.90 rands, high 4.17, low 3.63. In about a month Cardano gauge on Friday, July 21, cost 3.84 rands, high 4.11, low 3.57. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 24, cost 4.10 rands, high 4.39, low 3.81. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, July 25, cost 4.00 rands, high 4.28, low 3.72. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost forecast for June 2023. To start with cost at 7.38 rands, exorbitant cost 7.53. While low cost 4.57, found the middle value of cost 6.36. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.94, change for June 19.5%. Cardano gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 5.94 rands, exorbitant cost 7.03, while low cost 3.57. Found the middle value of cost 5.78. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.57. Change for July 10.6%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 6.57 rands, exorbitant cost 7.17, while low cost 6.23. Found the middle value of cost 6.67. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.70. Change for August 2.0%. Cardano estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.70 rands, exorbitant cost 7.32, while low cost 6.36. The found the middle value of cost 6.81. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.84. Change for September 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.84 rands. Excessive cost 8.08. While low cost 6.84, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.33. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.55, change for October 10.4%. Cardano figure for November 2023, before all else cost at 7.55 rands, excessive cost 7.68. While low cost 6.68, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.27. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 7.18. Change for November 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 7.18 rands, excessive cost 8.91. While low cost 7.18, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.90. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.33. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 8.33 rands, excessive cost 8.33. While low cost 6.51, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.54. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.00. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 7.00 rands, excessive cost 7.00. While low cost 5.47, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.34. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.88. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano figure for WOC 2024. Initially cost at 5.88 rands. Excessive cost 5.93. While low cost 5.15, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.63. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 5.54. Change for spring 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 5.54 rands. Excessive cost 6.13. While low cost 5.33, the found the middle value of cost 5.68. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.73, change for April 3.4%. Cardano estimate for May 2024, to start with cost at 5.73 rands, excessive cost 5.73. While low cost 4.74, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.33. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.10. Change for May 11.0%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. At the outset cost at 5.10 rands. Excessive cost 6.26. While low cost 5.10, the arrived at the midpoint of